All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Thursday adverb. So generally, about that way, generally, yeah. The plant is generally growing. Yeah. That generally is the plant I'm looking for. Not quite, but more or less. Yeah. That is generally his idea. That's generally his idea. Yeah. Those are generally right answers. That's about right, yeah. These are generally the things we need. Not exactly, but not way off. More or less, yeah. He generally took the right path. More often than not, he always turns right. He generally turns right here. Yeah, more or less, like 6 out of 10 times. Generally. She wants to generally speak louder. Yeah, she wants to be a louder speaker. Yeah. Generally, he will be there tonight. Yeah, more or less. There tonight. They will generally follow me. Yeah. They generally listen to me. Listen to me. They generally listen to me. Yes, again, 6 out of 10 times. Yeah. I generally record 30 videos a day. I have a lot of videos that need recording. So generally I wake up and begin recording as soon as I can. Yeah. Generally. So, can you use generally in a sentence, language explorers? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that? Let's keep exploring.